All right, welcome back, everybody. This is the second California edition. So what we're doing today is we're replacing these hi-hats. Now these are low power hi-hats, which means the line power that comes into the box right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get closer. So if you see, there's a box back there, and the white Romex is line power that comes in, goes into that box, and there's another box behind here where it translates or transforms the voltage or rectifies it, whatever the hell it does. It changes it from original 120 line voltage. All right, so, and as a result, when my buddy is trying to install these newer LED lights into these A26 sockets, it's not working. So what we're doing today is uh, we're going to splice the wires and bring 120 into this BX cable. So that way we can use the fancy LED lights they sell at the big box stores. Just to show you, this is the cover for the junction box that came with the hi-hat. And what we're doing today is we're going to bypass the transforming process. Okay, just want to show that we are responsible people and that we've turned off the power. That's the first step. De-energize the system, and we're testing with a non-contact voltage tester. Make sure that it's not energized before we start tearing into the wires. Okay, so here we've unfurled a lot of the wires out of the junction box. You can see white is neutral and black is hot. But then it goes into various other connections that really confuses the issue. Looks like a spaghetti bowl in there. But what we're going to do is we're just going to bypass this instead of the red going into that box in the back, whatever the hell it's doing. We're just going to take the black and connect it directly to the BX cable, which is this right here. And so that way it'll be black to neutral directly without going into the transformer. All right, here's the test fire. What we've done is we've taken all the small white wires and connected to the neutral line neutral. And we've took all the smaller black wires connected to the blue one here. We disconnected it and connected to the black line power. So just wanted to document what we've done before the test fire. And for the test fire, we've installed one of these connectors, and we're just going to measure the voltage coming out of here to make sure we're getting 120. And I really couldn't do this with one hand, so that's why we're doing shots like this. All right, repair update. We've ported out the 120 volt line power onto these two cables right here. And because the socket was destroyed, so we ended up making this contraption as a proof of concept. So it does work, and we're going to proceed with replacing all 7 or 5. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and replace all these older systems that runs on a exotic, kind of like a low voltage system. All right.